Hi guys, welcome to TechAbro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add shipping cost on Wix. So let's go to Wix editor page first. Sorry, Wix dashboard first, not editor page. This is Wix dashboard. Now you have to go to scroll down and find settings. Click on settings. Then you'll find here shipping and fulfillment. Click on this. Now you can see here add region. You can add your region here. Click on add destination. You can add any destination you want. Allen Island. You can add multiple destinations. Now you have to click on this drop down menu. Is it free shipping or flat rate? You can add flat rate. Shipping option name, you can add your option name here. I'm just writing here test. Okay, shipping title should be like this. Now you can see here estimate delivery time 7 days. Rate, your rate is should be here like 100. Okay, you can offer free shipping when a customer buys over a certain amount. You can tick this one and you can add the shipping option. Add a handling free order fee. After completing this, you have to click on local delivery. Hand of delivery, you have to click on this and you can add your local delivery area name, delivery rate, and you can click on this add area. Okay, after that you have to click on pickup in person or add pickup. Here you have to enter the street address. Here you have to ready for pickup in which days. That's and here the pickup instruction you can add here. After that you have to click on save. After click on save, your shipping cost will be added to Wix. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.